Hello guys, welcome back to the TenorShare channel. In this episode, we'll be talking about how to enter recovery mode in ReiBoot version V9.0. This new version comes with a new interface and a slightly different location to enter iPhone recovery mode. But don't worry, it's still easy to use. Let's get started. Whether it's an iPhone or iPad, or an Apple Watch, you can use this feature. So once you launch ReiBoot, connect your device to your computer using a USB cable. ReiBoot will automatically recognize the device type. Once your device is detected, click the Enter button in the recovery section. Your device will restart. Wait for ReiBoot to enter recovery mode. You will see your screen shows Connect to Computer logo. That's it. It's as easy as that. Give it a try. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.